Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I have created this stopwatch project which having the string minute, second and millisecond, which having three buttons start, stop and reset. If we start the timer will start. If we stop it, the timer will stop. If you want to resume it, it will again we have to click on start means it will resume and reset means it will reset to the original state. I have given the simple CSS, no framework is used, simple HTML and vanilla JavaScript means plain JavaScript. Now look at the source code. I have three files index.html, script.js, and styles.css. First is the index.html. I have included the styles here. I have included the script here. The HTML having a simple container which having this stopwatch, the name, heading, and the icon. This is the timing div. This is the main stopwatch we can see, and these are the buttons which having the ID stopwatch, start, stop, and reset. Now look at the styles. The simple styles give an effect to button also. The transform effect included the media queries also. This is the style. Now look at the script. This is my script. Firstly, I take the three buttons means get the three buttons start button, stop button, and reset button, and initialize the minute, second, and milliseconds to zero globally. Then on start button, I added the event listener so that on click on start button, the stopwatch will start. The timer will start. Maintain one variable which tells the timer is stop or start. Timer is true means stopwatch is means timer is started or starting. Now look at the stopwatch function. This is the stopwatch function which first checks the timer is on or not. Means the timer is true or false. If our timer is true, then our timer will starting. Here I incremented the millisecond. If our millisecond is equals to 100, then I incremented the second and again initialize milliseconds to 0. Here I if our second is equals to 60, our minute incremented and again initialize seconds to 0. The logic behind that is 60 second is equals to 1 minute. So after every 60 second our minute also incremented. Now these conditions are written to check if we have to display our timer in two digit format. So if our minute is 0, 1 up to 9, then we have to display it as a 0, 1, 0 to 0, 9. That's why these conditions are written. Same for second and same for millisecond. And lastly, this rendered the stopwatch, appended the updated minute, second and millisecond, and set timeout. Given stopwatch function after set timeout delay time 10 milliseconds. Now check at the stop button. On stop button, our timer is false. I set the timer to false means we have to stop the timer. And on reset button, our timer is stop firstly, and reset means we have to give it to original state. Again initialize minute, seconds, milliseconds to 0 and show stopwatch at 00 in original format. That's all. I have also hosted this on GitHub. You can check the link. Thank you.